There you go. Terrell's tearing them up. I was just setting up the cameras because I'm not catching any. And they turn this way a little bit. Let them see. Yeah, right there. Put that thing down. A little low right in there. Up a little bit. Up right in there. Work. All right. That's T's what? Fifth? Sixth fish? I can't even tell. Oh, let's let's see if we can get a quick weight on him. Damn, I don't know this thing gonna shut. All right. 2-2.
Got him.
He's been caught several times before. Yeah, hold on. Let me put it down. We're going. Yeah, all right, there. Terrell with another one there. Well, you want to put that one on scale?
Yeah, I'll see how much he weighs. I say 2-2.
2-2. All right. Hold on. I gotta cut it on. All right. Ooh, 112.
Oh well.
It looks like that stuff all on his tongue and stuff. What is it? Leeches and stuff?
Yep.
I think they are. Okay. Show them on the camera. See at the camera. Show them the tongue if you can. Back up a little bit. There you go. Look at all those leeches. All right, everybody. Terrell rocking one again there. I ain't caught a fish all day, and this is like his 9th fish there. So that's a nice size one. Let's see what that one got. Hold on.
This one's 2-2.
Okay. How much?
2-2.
There it is. What it is? Show them 2-2.
2-2.
Don't mess with my 2-2.
Oh, come back into the acrobat for us.
All right, everybody, can you believe it? One accidentally hit my line. Terrell's got like 10, 11, 12, I don't know. I got my first one. Let's see what it weighs. There you go. You got zeroed out?
How much?
3-2.
3-3.
All right, there you go. Look at that, 3-3. I got next round, so I said 3-2. My first fish of the day. Let's reclip him. Reweigh. Okay. I got 0. Oh. It was better when he did. I got 212. I'll take it. Looks a little bigger here. We'll 213. All right, we'll take it. Still decent fish for the first fish of the day. So Terrell did the netting job. Thank you. All right, here we go. That did look a little bit bigger.
Yeah, I think mine was right, 3-2.
Hey everyone, Terrell's at it again. Ain't as big as that 6th one, but that's a good 3 to 4. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. One little piece of skin. One little piece of, here too. Grab that, I have this one on here. You can cut this one on if you want. Just push the top button, should. And we'll get a quick measurement or a weight on him. There's Terrell again, like 15th of the day. I stopped keeping track of it. We'll give you a weigh here in just a second. Go ahead. 3-1. I was telling you to replace that one.
Deep water.
Let's go. So. Ladies and gentlemen,
You better turn the camera on.
this is a toad. I'm gonna say maybe 8 pounds, 7 or 8 pounds. It's a Terrell fish, not mine. I'm the net man. Generally, the man holding the net is not responsible. And damn, what did he catch it on again? Damn jackhammer.
That's a good fish there.
As I've been telling Matt and Dale, I know they said they have been trying them, but I'm telling you, what, this damn.
Did I hook him good?
Oh yeah, I got him to. I had it, I know, sir.
Solid fish right there.
Yeah, grab those scales. Where'd they
put
go?
them at?
I hope we did. You might have.
I don't remember.
I hope they didn't blow out. They might have. How about cutting on the thing there, and we'll get like some water on him, and we'll break out the bubba and weigh him. He could be, and we'll measure him too. He's every bit of 8 pounds, I'm gonna say. So
what do I need to do here?
The first switch, push bottom down, push it down, so it'll start doing the water. We'll get him in there, and we'll get feel him. You tell me what you think.
Yeah, about 6 pounds.
6 pounds, my ass. That baby's. I'll grab the bubbles out real quick, but the other ones might have blown out. I thought I warned it about that, but yeah, they're there. It's underneath your thing there if you want to see them real quick. Hold on. All right. 6'11", seriously? I think it's bigger than that. We'll do it again when we get the bubba out. Get him in the live well. We'll put that one in the live well for now. That's the toad. We'll get pictures and everything with it. We'll be back.